Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house, guys. It might be a little bit dark now because of night time. Anyhow, I have to gel my hair up now so I can put this bun on, and I will talk a little bit more about this bun. So I'm gonna use my Eco Styling Gel. This one is olive oil. Let's sketch it up, guys. And my edges, they're going, guys. I'm getting old. I'm gonna catch it up somewhat in the top. And we're just gonna go straight in. Ooh, it's gonna be cold. And now I'm gonna go in with my Got To Be glue, just a little bit, and I'm gonna knead it up a little bit. Ooh, look all my wavy hair just popping out, guys. I have a little bit of mousse. Oh my, I think it almost finished. I think it's finished almost. Anyway. I get a little bit and I'm gonna mousse it. I like to band the back first. Alright guys, so we're gonna come back tomorrow when this is all dry, and then we're gonna put our ponytail on. Alright, see you then. So we're gonna talk a little bit about this hair bun, and this hair bun updo, guys. This ponytail, it has the bang on it, so it's a bun with the bang. All right, bun with the bang. All right, so let's take this off first. Ooh, let me go a little bit. All right, sleek enough. We gotta work with that. Oh, look how far it, Lord. And guys, I took it out of the package already, but it comes like this. Take that out, and it's like this. All right, can you see the detail on it, guys? It has a little leaves in it. And that's the inside. It comes with 1, 2 comb, and then it comes with 3 little combs right here. I'm gonna fix this right first. I want it like way up here. And then I stick it with the comb. You can go ahead and clip it in. Guys, when I comb it, it's shedding a little bit, but not too much. I can't get this side to be nice like the next side, but alright guys, I think that's it. Make it a little bit messy. Ooh, it's so cute. And that's it, guys. Ooh, I like it. It's so cute. So cute. I'm gonna turn it around. I like it. And guys, this is the final result. I'll take some pictures after. It's really cute and I like it. Yes. fit my big face. All right, guys, see you later. See how me I sweat already? I like it a little bit messy. All right, guys, I love it. See you later.